Welcome to the Emails Test Kitchen. I'm Rebecca Lyons, Head of Culinary Development here at Emails. We have a new collection for you. We have 9 specially curated recipes that are all paired with a Voodoo Ranger IPA, and they are delicious. One of the recipes in this collection is a taco potato skin. And I know we all order potato skins when we go to restaurants, but I'm going to show you an easy way to make them. So what I've done is I've baked potatoes, just baked them at 400 for about an hour until they're tender, and then I've cut the potatoes in half. So now you can see I've got my half potato, and I'm going to just scoop out the potato flesh, and I'm going to leave about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And then we're going to bake these for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're brown and crisp. These have already been baked, and so what we're going to do is I've taken my baked ones, you can see they're brown and crispy, and we're going to fill them with some taco meat, some ground beef mixed with some taco seasoning, and then we're going to sprinkle it with cheese. We're going to put them back in the oven and bake it till the cheese is melted. And here are our finished potato skins. We're going to top them with some lettuce. Basically, it's just a taco inside a potato skin. Let's do some sour cream. Really, any taco toppings you like. And some guacamole. And we're going to finish it with a little pico de gallo. Of course, these pair fantastic with the Voodoo Ranger IPA. Some other recipes in this collection are a 3-pepper Texas chili. It's a little smoky and a little spicy, but very delicious. And a sweet and salty snack mix that's got your favorite candies and some chips, different stuff that you're sure to love. So don't forget to check out these recipes at emails.com or on the app and enjoy them all with your favorite Voodoo Ranger IPA.